Everybody, it's the 28th of December. I just wanted to talk to you about Castaic real estate today. I'll give you a quick overview for Santa Clarita Valley, and then we'll get to the Castaic numbers, talk a little bit about real estate, a couple items that are in the book, and then we'll move you on so you can get on with your day post-Christmas. 437 total active listings on the market. This is going to span price ranges from $153,900 to over $5 million. Median list price right now in all of Santa Clarita Valley, $840,000. The main loan program that's being used out here is conventional, but just so you know the levels of conventional, there are some that have 3 and 5% down. So even less than FHA at 3%, depends on your credit score and profile, of course. But then you also have conventional loans. The traditional is that 20% down, so you save yourself from property mortgage insurance, which is attached to your monthly payment, ensuring, well, your under contract properties. Buyer activity is definitely strong. 95 homes currently under contract, and that's holding a median price of around $795,000. Pending sales, we have 110 properties that are in pending stage, and that median list price is $837,000, $495,000. So as we get into January, we're going to see the market start to pick up. February and March will be super hot, as we typically see as it carries through the summertime. Closed sales during this period in all of Santa Clarita Valley, 25 homes closed with a median sales price of $750,000. And of course, that finishes out the Santa Clarita overall update. Now, as far as Castaic goes, we do have those listings. Castaic Junction, one listing only, 965. There are 45 active listings out in Castaic as well. We also have other properties. East Castaic, there's a couple properties out there listed at 544, 450. North and South Castaic, if you look at this areas at Santa Clarita, openhouses.com, you'll be able to see those. We have 801,980 for one, and then we have a luxury listing out there at almost $5 million. 4.7, $999,099, like that. So that's how Castaic's panning out. We do see the average days on market in Castaic about 60 days before they get under contract. That, of course, is there's exceptions to that rule. You're going to see properties that are going out even faster, and then properties even slower. But that 60 days is kind of a general understanding. If you have a property that's really priced well, probably not going to last very long even now. But a lot of people are currently holding off until we get into January. They're kind of finishing up that week after Christmas where we are, and it's kind of a droll and slow time. But we are still getting inquiries, people asking what they need to do to prepare for next year. And here's that advice. Make sure you speak with your real estate agent. Your real estate agent is going to be able to connect you with a real estate lender. Even if you have somebody, it's not bad to get a second opinion. And yep, I'm going to get beaten up over this, but even with real estate agents, not bad to get a second opinion. See if you like them, see if they make sense, and then see what they're publishing online. What are they talking about? What do they have out there in the world that other people can glean information from and become educated about the real estate process? Or are they just those that they've been sent to you by some system that you might be online searching within? Maybe a Zillow or a Trulia. That's great. You know, they're going to call you up. But that might not be that best source for you. Look for that local agent that has a lot of content that's talking about the real estate market, and you can see that by looking at video content. That's really where the rubber's going to meet the road, because those massive syndication sites, they can't dig in at that level. So if you see somebody that's dominating the market in Santa Clarita Market Trends, for example, or Santa Clarita Real Estate Updates, and you click on the video when you're looking at it on Google or anywhere else online, and you see a particular agent that's really dominating that market, might not be a bad idea to have them included in that interview process, of course, with the other agents that have been lead generation and source and sent to you because they're paying to have your information sent to them because you happen to be searching for real estate, which, truth be told, I'm not a fan of that system. I would rather be organic, giving value, and putting my information out there so people can see about what the market is, where it could be going, and what the best way to approach it would be. I'm Connor with Honor. Thank you for watching your Castaic Real Estate Update. We'll be back tomorrow on Sunday with Acton and Agua Dulce, and then, of course, Valencia is going to be our Monday update. I'm Connor with Honor. Over and out.